Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'll show you how I replace battery on my favorite watch, which is a Sekonda watch, and I'll be using this DIY watch kit which I purchased on Amazon, and it looks like that. It is quite cheap, it's under £10, and I can use this kit to different watch repairs. Also, I'll be using these Kodak watch batteries. Also, I have replaced battery before on this watch and other two watches. I'll link that tutorial down below in description box. Now I'll show you how I replace battery on this Sekonda watch. So this is the front and this is the back. To replace the battery, I will be opening this back case, and as you can see, this back case has a little slither there, like opening there, which I will be opening to replace the battery. So it looks like that, and now I will open this opening. I'm using small flat screwdriver to open this case open. So the back case is open and it looks like that, and I used this small screwdriver, as you can see, and I use this flat tip at the end to open the back case. So now I'll remove this battery, which has stopped. So this is how it looks inside, but first I'll remove this plastic guard which keeps the watch parts all together. And now I'll remove this battery. Before I remove this battery, I have to unscrew and loosen this little screw, because these two metal parts are holding the battery in place, as you can see here. And I'll be using a flat tip of this watch knife to loosen that screw open. I have loosened up the screw. Now I'll remove this battery. Oh, flying off. So this is the battery. It looks like that. And as you can see, that metal bit has been loosened a little bit. And this is the old battery, and I will be using AG4 size battery to replace battery on my watch. And as you can see, they are same size, so that's the old battery and this is the new battery. So I'm placing this new battery into place where the original battery was, and the flat side is facing up. So I'm squeezing that battery in between those two metal bits there, very gently, so it looks like that. And now I will tighten that screw back into original position. So the battery is replaced and it looks like that. Next, I'll place this plastic guard back on, and this gap there on the side there will go where the dial is there. So I'm placing this plastic guard back there where the dial is, with that opening there. And I'm clipping this plastic guard back together very gently, because this plastic guard is very important, because it keeps all of the watch parts together. So this is nice and secure now. Next, I will place watch back case back on the watch. So this side has a curve on the side, this is the straight side, so this curved side will be placed, as you can see, the curved side then will be placed where the dial is. So I'm placing this back case back on. As you can see, that dial and that opening there. So the back case is shut, and that's how I replace the battery on a watch. And as you can see, back case is securely shut on a watch. Some watches are easy, some watches are hard to replace the battery. This one was pretty easy in my opinion. And all the battery I will be recycling. If you have any questions how I replace battery on this watch, please comment down below in a comment box. Also, go check out my other tutorial how I replaced battery on these 3 watches. I will link that link down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was useful. I will see you next time. Love, Anita.